The Las Vegas Convention Center has long been a window into the future of technology. For years, CES's automotive hall was dominated by electric vehicles, each promising a cleaner tomorrow. But in 2026, the spotlight shifted from batteries to brains, from electric powertrains to software and artificial intelligence. The excitement around EVs cooled as consumers faced high costs and slow infrastructure growth. Automakers and tech giants pivoted, focusing on what cars could do, not just what powered them. CES 2026 was filled with demos of software-defined vehicles, deployable autonomy, and AI-driven features. The car was evolving from a machine into a smart partner. Conversations shifted from kilowatt-hours to billions of AI parameters and over-the-air updates. The star wasn't a new EV, but the invisible intelligence that let vehicles understand and react to the world. This was the software and AI revolution. Cars as computers on wheels. Now, a car's value is defined by its software, connectivity, and intelligence. Tech companies are now central to the automotive world, forging new alliances and reshaping competition. The race is about creating a smarter, more intuitive, and ever-evolving driving experience. CES 2026 made it clear. The era of the intelligent car has officially begun. At the heart of this transformation is physical AI, intelligence embedded directly in the car. Unlike cloud-based AI, physical AI lets vehicles perceive, reason, and act in real-world environments. It's the difference between a car that simply detects obstacles and one that understands content taxing, a child chasing a ball, a construction zone, or a double-parked truck. Previous systems followed rigid rules. Physical AI improvises, adapting like a creative chef. It processes data from cameras, LiDAR, and radar to build a 360-degree view and make nuanced decisions in real time. This leap brings us closer to true autonomy, moving beyond geo-fenced, limited tools. At CES, companies showed cars interpreting police hand signals, predicting unpredictable events, and distinguishing real hazards from harmless ones. Physical AI is the foundation for safe, reliable, and truly autonomous transportation. It's not just about detection, it's about genuine awareness and adaptability. The dream of widespread autonomous driving is now within reach. If physical AI was the theme, Nvidia delivered the headline act at CES 2026. CEO Jensen Huang unveiled the Alpamayo family of open-source AI models, a ChatGPT moment for cars. With 10 billion parameters, Alpamayo gives vehicles human-like reasoning for navigating complex roads. These generative AI systems predict and reason about rare, unpredictable events, handling edge cases that stumped previous tech. Mercedes-Benz, Jaguar Land Rover, Lucid, and Uber all announced partnerships to integrate Alpamayo, signaling industry-wide adoption. The Nvidia Drive Stack will power hands-free, Level 2+ automation in upcoming vehicles. Alpamayo democratizes powerful AI, letting automakers build on a shared foundation, instead of starting from scratch. Nvidia is now central to the future of mobility, providing the brain for software-defined cars. This is more than smarter cars, it's a scalable platform accelerating the path to full autonomy. Mercedes-Benz showed what happens when cutting-edge AI meets luxury. The electric GLC SUV, built on the new MB.OS, is a rolling showcase of intelligent design. Its hyperscreen dashboard merges controls and infotainment into a seamless, intuitive interface. AI from Microsoft and Google powers a voice assistant that handles complex, natural conversations, finding restaurants, managing schedules, and more. MB Drive Assist Pro, powered by Nvidia, brings Level 2+ autonomy to U.S. cities, handling urban driving with 30 sensors. The GLC boasts ultra-fast charging and a 440-mile range, proving performance and intelligence can coexist. The AI learns your habits, presets your climate, and suggests routes, Constantly evolving with you, Mercedes is redefining the driver-car relationship, making the vehicle a true intelligent partner. Luxury, comfort, and AI-driven assistance are now inseparable. BMW took a different approach, integrating Amazon's Alexa Plus into its Neue Klasse iX3 SUV. This deep integration turns the car into a smart office or living room on wheels, blurring lines between your car, home, and digital life. Alexa Plus uses large language models for natural conversational interactions. No more memorizing commands. Say, "Alexa, I'm cold and need to prep for my meeting," and the car adjusts temperature, dims notifications, and brings up your calendar. The car becomes a productive, connected space. Manage schedules, join calls, control smart home devices, all by voice. Alexa integration enables seamless transitions between environments. Set a destination at home, and it's ready in your car. BMW's collaboration with Amazon highlights a trend: automakers partnering with tech giants to deliver best-in-class digital experiences. The result: a car that's a joy to drive and a truly helpful assistant. CES 2026 wasn't just about smarter cars, it was about reimagining urban mobility. Robotaxis took center stage, with Waymo unveiling its OJI vehicle, packed with advanced sensors and expanding driverless service in Las Vegas and San Francisco. Uber, Lucid, and Nuro revealed a luxury robotaxi concept, combining Lucid's design, Nuro's autonomy, and Uber's network for premium ride-hailing. Zoox's futuristic pods shuttled passengers on the Las Vegas Strip, offering a glimpse of a driverless future. Hyundai showcased robots and platforms for automated parking and logistics, hinting at a broader AI-powered ecosystem. The robo-taxi market is diversifying, with options for everyday and premium travel. Autonomous ride-hailing is about to transform city life, safer, more accessible, and more convenient. CES 2026 also showcased how AI will transform the in-car experience into a hub for entertainment and productivity. Sony Honda Mobility's Afeela 1 prototype features a massive dashboard display and PlayStation Remote Play for gaming on the go. An AI assistant powered by Microsoft Azure learns your preferences, adjusting music, lighting, and more for a personalized cabin. Cerence's XUI hybrid AI platform combines onboard and cloud processing, ensuring reliable voice control, even without internet. Geely Auto will integrate this tech, letting drivers use natural language for navigation, media, and productivity tools. Here, Technologies and others are building smarter, predictive maps and embedding large language models for advanced queries. The goal: make car interiors interactive, intelligent, and seamlessly connected to your digital life. The car is becoming a true digital companion. The biggest shift at CES 2026 is the rise of the software-defined vehicle, or SDV. Cars are no longer fixed hardware, they're evolving platforms, updatable like smartphones. Over-the-air updates can add features, improve efficiency, or introduce new AI assistants long after purchase. Automakers gain new revenue streams through subscriptions and on-demand upgrades. Bosch and others are developing by-wire tech, replacing mechanical controls with software for greater flexibility. For drivers, cars get better over time. More range, smarter assistance, new safety features. Value now comes from adaptability, not just hardware. The SDV connects all major trends: AI models, intelligent cockpits, and autonomous systems. Companies like KPIT are building generative AI platforms to speed up innovation. The SDV is a revolutionary step, making car ownership dynamic, personalized, and future-proof. CES 2026's innovations point to a future where driving is safer, smarter, and more accessible. Advanced driver assistance and full autonomy promise to drastically reduce accidents, AI doesn't get tired or distracted. Intelligent assistants handle navigation and planning, making commutes less stressful and more productive. Over-the-air updates keep cars modern, lowering long-term costs and extending vehicle life. Robotaxi services from Waymo and Uber democratize mobility, offering freedom to those who can't drive or don't want to own a car. Urban adoption could reduce congestion and free up city space for people, not parking. Some envision car owners adding vehicles to robotaxi fleets for passive income. The focus has shifted from engines to intelligence. AI-driven, software-defined vehicles are here. The technologies unveiled are already shaping the cars of tomorrow. The journey ahead is safer, smarter, and more connected, transforming not just our cars, but how we live and move.